Roll. All four aircraft rolling as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver.
I see your dirty face hide behind your collar. What is done in vain? Truth is hard to swallow. So you pray to God, justify the way you live a lie, live a lie, live a lie. And you take your time.
Our two solo pilots are approaching once again, this time to demonstrate the inverted flight capabilities of these FA-18s. Approaching inverted from the left and right, they will roll their aircraft 360 degrees crossing over center point. The opposing inverted to inverted roll.
Hey y'all! Patty's milk, mama's drapes, standing tall in the backyard shed, looking cool in my Superman cape. I told the neighborhood girl, said, hey y'all, watch this. My fate was a broken arm, my reward, one big kiss. When Daddy asked me why I did it, I made him laugh out loud when I told him.
To the left, the Diamond is setting up for their next maneuver, the Diamond aileron roll. Approaching center point, on a signal from Captain McWhorter, all four pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees. The very precise Diamond aileron roll. Let's listen in.
A little pole.
Oh yeah.
Ready, hit it.
Learner permit. Thought I was earned hard, driving fast, but I didn't see the ditch. Dug out a mailbox, then a fence, then a barn. The police came and called my father, but I met the farmer's daughter. And when the judge asked me why I did it, he threw the book at me. When I told him, cause the
Aircraft pilots and enthusiasts who understand the difficult transition from the cruise to the landing configuration will appreciate this next maneuver demonstrated by our two solo pilots. To the right, Lieutenant Walborn and Lieutenant Simonson will establish a mirror image formation. But look closely, for both aircraft are in the carrier landing configuration as they approach for a maneuver we call the Fortus.
and sacrifice my every live for just a second's worth of all my stories ending. And I wish I could rule the directions that I take and all the choices that I make won't end up all for nothing. Show me what it's for, make me understand it.
For Navy and Marine Corps pilots who must land their aircraft on the small and sometimes pitching deck of an aircraft carrier at sea, slow-speed flight is just as important as high-speed flight. In order to demonstrate the dirty, slow-speed handling characteristics of these Boeing FA-18s, Captain McWhorter has called for the extension of landing gear and tailhooks as they execute a maneuver performed by no other jet demonstration team in the world today. From the left, at less than 250 miles per hour, the Diamond Dirty Loop.
Ever coming suddenly, will I ever get to see the ending to my story? Show me what it's for. Is there something more than what I've been handed?
To the left, Lieutenant Walborn is approaching to demonstrate the maximum performance turn radius of the FA-18. He'll execute a 7.5G afterburning turn and exit the flight line vertically, showcasing the Hornet's slow-speed climb capability.
Watch your back!